Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to install Python. So first, just search on Google for the version of Python 3.7.4. I am using this version as it's better than all the versions I feel. So you have all the options, just select your option. I am using this executable installer. Then just search for download Visual Studio Code. From the official website you'll easily get it. Then just download it. It's also available for Mac and other operating systems. Once it's downloaded, just install it. I have already installed this Visual Studio Code, so I will not install it again. But I'll show you the complete part of Python. Please click on this part of add Python 3.7 to path. It's very important, otherwise it will not work. And please click on the normal install method. So now just create a new folder in which you will be creating your files and Visual Studio Code. Then just go to Visual Studio Code and open your folder. So when you open your folder, just create a new file. I am creating it of 1.py. You need to put .py. Then in settings, no, not settings, just go in this icon and you need to install something. Firstly, Code Runner. Just click on it and you need to install it. I would also suggest you to install some other things such as pip packages and Python. After that, just go to settings, extensions, and in the run code configuration, click on this icon of run in terminal. It's very important, just click on that. So now just write a simple sentence like print hello world and just run it. See, it runs successfully. Yeah, so now you have successfully installed Python. Now just apply this command of pip-m python-m pip install upgrade pip. It should be updated. I have already updated, so it's showing. To install other packages, just write pip install the name of packages. PyAutoGui was already installed, so it was showing success or requirement already satisfied. Now I'm just installing FastText, so it's downloading it and it's successfully installed. So this is how you install the external library packages. Now I'm just writing a simple program to initialize a number like the character a with 0. I'm just writing a equal to 0. For while loops, you need not write any brackets and just end with the colon. After in the next line, just put a tab space. So and whatever you write after the tab space will be under that while loop. So this is an example of infinite loop where it's continuously printing 0. And if I give an increment of a plus equal to 1, which means that a is equal to a plus 1. And for comments, you should use a hashtag for the comment line. This is just an error. There's no space between plus and equal to. So you have successfully printed numbers from 1 to 100. Now if I just increase the limit to now I'll just write another way of writing it, like while true, same way. And if a is equal to 100, again it will end with a colon. I'll put another tab space after if. So whenever whatever is under that if will be after the tab space, and then the break command will stop the program. So you have successfully understood the basics of Python, and this is it for today's video.
Please like and share this video and subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you.